Want to earn money but are unsure of where to begin? We've got you covered, so don't worry. Both online and offline, there are more opportunities than ever before to earn extra money. That's excellent, but it can be difficult to decide where to put your time. These are the best ways to start making extra money today. 1. Start dropshipping. Let's begin our list with one of the most well-liked methods of online income. Dropshipping's popularity is growing, as shown by Google Trends, underscoring its potential as a business concept. If you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's a type of business where you sell a product to a client, but the supplier stores, packages, and sends the product to the buyer on your behalf. 2. Try print on demand. POD is another well-liked method of making money online, because it has cheaper overhead than other enterprises. This business model has been embraced by many people. You can make your own custom products, which is great for brand recognition. You can choose from specific items rather than a vast range of categories. T-shirts, mugs, and tote bags are among the things that the majority of print-on-demand businesses sell. 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you can make money by advertising other companies' products. If you're a skilled marketer, you can increase sales by advertising services, apps, software, and more, even if the commission you receive may seem insignificant. Remember that you may work as an affiliate for multiple companies and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. 4. Start a YouTube channel. In order to develop a robust, devoted audience on YouTube, your channel should concentrate on a specific niche. You may, for instance, make spoof videos, review things, teach skills, stream video games, provide cosmetics lessons, or whatever else you believe would be of interest to viewers. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content that people want. 5. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The best platforms to get started on: Instagram and TikTok. You can charge for sponsored articles, open your own online store, and sell goods. Include affiliate links in your bio. Sell your images, sell advertisements on your own podcast, develop and sell merch, get paid to attend events, and more as an influencer to earn money. 6. Start a blog. One of the earliest ways to earn money online is by blogging. People who enjoy writing often launch blogs with a specific audience in mind. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc., is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. 7. Become a writer. More businesses are looking for writers who can fill their web properties with quality content as interest in content marketing grows. However, specializing in a certain area as a writer lets you stand out and makes it simpler to draw customers from your target demographic. A different viewpoint can be added to a piece of information when you have experience in the field. 8. Drive your car. If you have a car, you may work as an Uber or delivery person to supplement your income, but even if you don't, you can still deliver food and other essentials using your bicycle or moped. 9. Sell your photography. Selling your photos online is a terrific way to earn money. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just enjoy taking beautiful shots, you may promote your work on websites like Shutterstock and Alamy. When someone downloads a copy of a photographer's image, these websites compensate them with royalties. 10. Sell clothes online. You probably own clothing that you haven't worn in a year and don't intend to wear again. There are many websites where you may sell your used fashion things, including clothes, handbags, and shoes. 11. Sell your designs online. There are numerous ways to get money from your outstanding skill in graphic design. You can use print on demand to market your designs on unique products you create. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.